Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Western Union account full tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in westernunion.com, and from here you want to make sure that you are logged in into your account, so that from here you can click here on help right here. So click on that. And by the way, if you are here, you want to go and scroll down right here, and you have these options. You can chat now with a live agent, you can call, or you could mail them if this is what you prefer, or you could just go into their branches right there that is near to you. You can go directly to their branches person to person, so that they would be able to assist you in deleting your account. But if you want to do it online, then this is the way. So from here, let's go with the chat now. So I'm gonna click on this icon right here, so that we'll be able to get with in chat with a live person right here. So from here, this is just a bot. So what we want to do is we want to click this button, and then from here we would be able to chat with a live representative. So all we have to do is go and provide the reason right here and our information. So from here, I'm gonna go for profile help right here, and your first name, last name, email address, and your MTCN in case. Yeah, you want to provide your MTCN right here, and then after that you want to tap on next, and basically you just want to go and tell the live representative that you want to delete your account, because there is no feature that would allow you to delete your Western Union account directly. You have no choice but to talk with the staff or customer support, because they are the only one that can delete your account. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.